Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy and GMC's 2011 to 2019 2500 HD and 3500 HD pickups.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift or remove your truck's bed. Unbolt your leaf spring shackle in order to move the leaf spring out of the way. Step 3. Hold the replacement part up to the frame and note its coverage. Cut along the bottom of the frame rail, removing roughly 1/2 inch of material, including the leaf spring shackle hanger. Our part includes perforated plates to accommodate the factory rear bed mount and both spare tire crossmembers. If you are keeping one or more of these parts, remove the corresponding plates. If you are removing any of these parts, cut them off and leave the corresponding plate intact. Step 4. Slide your frame section onto the frame using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the part in place to ensure a secure fit. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place before welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Reinstall your leaf spring and shackle. Now, get back out on the road.